Hi, we're Mark and Nancy from Remax Escarpment, and we're here today at our newest listing, 62 Morgan Drive in beautiful Caledonia.
This home features 3 bedrooms, 1.5 bath, fully finished basement and fenced backyard.
Thank you for visiting us at 62 Morgan Drive in Caledonia.
If you'd like to book an appointment to view this property, or if you have questions about buying or selling your home in Caledonia or Haldimand County, please call us. My name is Mark. I can be reached at 905-512-1846.
And I'm Nancy, 905-975-2009.